very energizing. You know, I felt like the prison had opened. I want to thank you for remaining consistent. Thank you for remaining firm and for inspiring so many young people in this country. Thank you.
Olwo lwe lukuŋŋaana lw'abannabibiina ebyobufuzi ebivuganya gavumenti ya Mwami Museveni eyewaŋŋamizza mu buyinza olunaku olwaleero. Bakuŋŋaanye olunaku olwaleero okugaayagaayamu ku nsonga butya bwe basobola okusindikiza Nakyemalira ave mu ntebe ya bannayuganda, akomye okutyoboola eddembe ly'obuntu mu bannayuganda, balabike nga bannayuganda bafuna emirembe, bafune obukulembeze obulungi. Olwaleero olukuŋŋaana luno balukubidde ku kitebe kya FDC. FDC yeekutulako ku ye Najjanankumbi, eno esigadde ekulemberwa Dr. TAKUTIISA Besigye, amyukibwa Elias Lukwago. Tuli Katonga, omugenyi omukulu mu lukuŋŋaana luno ye His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu. Muno bakuŋŋaanyirizaamu bannabibiina ebyenjawulo omuli aba anti, omuli aba NUP, omuli ab'ebibiina ebirala byonna ebya UPC n'ebibiina ebirala ebyobufuzi ebikyali ku mulamu ogw'okwagala okulonda eggwanga Uganda. Kaseera kano kennyini tugenda kuba tufuna okwogera kw'omukyaza w'abantu bano, kano Dr. TAKUTIISA Besigye. Katuwulirize obubaka bwe ate tubeeko kye tubujjamu.
Maybe also in my voice, one Uganda, one people, one people, one Uganda. People power, our power, our power, people power. Thank you. Everything has been said. Let me first thank God that God is good.
All the time.
And all the time,
God is good and that's it.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.
Everything has, I believe, been said. It's with immense gratitude that I am here on this day amongst all these heroes to once again give hope to our country. I want to thank you, President Robert Kyagulanyi. You could not have said any better. What next? He was challenged. Chechiddako. Waliwo atakyamanya ekiddako? Nobody can claim not to know what next. Ladies and gentlemen, we all, just for emphasis, that since Uganda became Uganda, and that's by the British, our people have never had power. We wrote it in the Constitution, but they did not get the power. The power belongs to them, but definitely they don't have any power. The institutions of state through which their power should be exercised do not work for them. All the institutions of state, as my colleagues have said, were captured. They don't serve them. That's why the representatives of people in parliament can be attacked in broad daylight, beaten, arrested from their parliament, tortured, and nothing happens. That's why people's courts that derive power directly from the people can be attacked in broad daylight, and people injured, bleeding in the courts, and nothing happens. all institutions of
Yes,
state.
omulabye omulungi kujukizaako nti oba tonnaba tufollowinga,
They
please
were talking
guys
about the electoral commission.
following. Oba obadde tonnaba kufollowinga Omukisa TV,
The electoral commission is thoroughly captured.
olinako data, nkusaba otufollowing. Thank you so much. Buli wonna olabire no video because abantu bangi bagenda
Even if
kikozesaamu
actually they did
pages
not appoint the
ez'enjawulo,
cadres, it's just because
channels
we have
ez'enjawulo. So okusaba
somebody who is
wonna
a
olabira
verified
video eno,
candidate
please kindly
who cannot
follow
allow
Omukisa
anything.
TV. Thank you so much.
But even if he didn't appoint his candidates as the electoral commissioners, the electoral commission as an institution is still captured. The trouble in Uganda is that the captor, the one who captured all these, is also a very, very, evil captor. Because even in the countries where there is no democracy, you can have a leader who thinks about his people. You can have a dictator that serves people. People have been saying here that Idi Amin was not elected, and he wasn't. Idi Amin was not even educated. But the things that Museveni, who has been in power for 40 years, is using, a lot of them are Idi Amin. The soldiers he's so proud of are living in the barracks built by Idi Amin. And many other things that Idi Amin did, which this one hasn't done. So we are so unlucky that we got a terrible dictator. Because some dictators can also be good and provide for people. Ours is not among those. That's why when he's going between Entebbe and Kampala, they close off everything so that he alone is on the road, fearing his own people. So we have a predator in charge of a country. Definitely what they would be serving. So that's why our uniting here today is critical, and as has been underpinned by everybody, to get out of the situation in which we are. We have to do two things. The first one, we have to unite and remain united. We unite and remain united. And not just uniting in words. We must unite in every sense. Look at every person that is suffering from this junta as your brother. We are in a difficult situation. The other day I was complaining about people stealing my matoke. They have a small garden at home. But they came and asked the biggest branches. And I said, the ones who have taken this matoke are of course suffering neighbors who have nothing. The real thief of my matoke is the one who has created the situation. The one who has created the situation where Ugandans cannot eat, have no food, is the real problem. I've been seeing, that they have started a special operation to hunt down the phone snatchers. the ones who capture your phone when you are talking
Hmm.
and run with it. What if the real phone snatcher is up there? Who has put these people in that kind of a situation? And so, look at your neighbor as your real brother in this struggle. Share the
Omulangi
little that
atanaba
you can,
kufollowinga Omukisa TV nkusaba otufollowinge.
regardless
Atanaba
of which
kufollowinga
color,
Omukisa
which
TV
country,
please
region, which
tufollowinge. Webale
a
nnyo
person is
olw'emitendera.
coming from.
Onawusinzira okulaba
I've
live
been
eno
saying
oba
for a
gyali
very
ku
long
page
time
yange
that
oba
there are
page
two
yange
Ugandans.
naye nga tunaba
The Uganda
kufollowinga
of those who
Omukisa
are
TV
very well off, who
nkusaba
don't know what
otufollowinge.
is
Thank
going
you so
on,
much.
the ones who are being protected from the ones who are bad. All of us in this Uganda, the terrorized Uganda, we must develop unique comradeship. It's not just uniting here to talk, but wherever we find each other. If you have one command, rather who has nothing. We need that unique togetherness, unity, on the basis of which we can liberate our country. Secondly, I just want to assure you, those who think they are powerful and have power only have it because you allow them to have it. Are we together? People are only powerful or have power because they are allowed to have. If we unite and say we no longer recognize you as our leader, we will not serve you, we will not associate with you, we will not have anything to do with you, that is the end. And that is our next mission. The next mission must be to isolate and exclude and disempower those who captured our power. And we can, and we should, we must. These actions we are talking about, which have been talked about here, let them be the beginnings of rebuilding confidence in our people that this is their country and that they can do something about their country. Because our people have been so terrified that they have lost confidence in their citizenship. Thank you for commanding President Kyagulanyi that people.
Ebyo bye bigambo bya Dr. TAKUTIISA Besigye akulira ekisinde eky'FDC. Musajja alwaniridde enkyukakyuka emyaka kati 25 ng'ayagala okulaba ku Uganda ennungi. Dr. TAKUTIISA Besigye abaddewo ebbanga lyonna okulaba nti Uganda enunulwa okuva mu mikono gya nnakyemalira Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Agezezaako ky'asobola naye tatuuse ku ekyo ky'abadde ayagala ky'alwaniridde ebbanga lyonna. Okutuusa lwalabye nga His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu avuddeyo n'amanya nti ono ye musajja yekka asobola okutuusa bannayuganda mu nsi ensuubize. TAKUTIISA Besigye yakkiriza okwegatta ku His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu. Ky'ovola nti kati batambulira mu ngatto ze zimu. Akkiriza nti bwe mukolera awamu agali awamu ge galuma ennyama. Bwe mukolera awamu musobola okutuuka ku buwanguzi. Bannayuganda nabo basobola okutuuka mu nsendazaani ey'okwesiima. Basobola okuva mu mikono gya nnakyemalira eyawamba eggwanga lyattu Uganda. N'olw'ensonga eyo kyovuga olaba nti waakiri kati bakwatagana era bassa kimu nga nkuyege. Katusuubire okulaba ku kalulu ak'awamu 2026 nga bonna basimbye mu mugongo gwa His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu.